In this lesson, we're going to explain the importance of shelter, air, and food for all different kinds of animals. To begin this lesson, you can give each student a sheet with stickers on it. The stickers have all different animals on them. They are going to use the stickers and they're going to use their student booklets. They're going to match the stickers with the circles and put them on the appropriate circle. Once they have completed their student booklets with their stickers, you can take out the animal cards that come in the kit. You can do this as a whole group or small groups if it's easier while the students are doing something else in a science center. What you can do is you can go through and you can have the students identify every animal that's on the card. While you're doing that, you can make two piles. One pile can be for the animals that the students knew right away, and one can be for animals that the students didn't know right away. This could be something that you might need to review in a little bit more detail if some of these animals are things they've never seen before. For example, they'll know what a cat is right away, so you won't have to go into that in as much detail, but they might have a little bit more difficult time with a ferret. So you can go over those in as much detail as you would like. After you're done using the cards, you can move on to helping the students make a mini book, which they'll be using for the rest of the unit. This is My Favorite Pet mini book. For this lesson, they'll be doing the first page. On the first page, they're going to be making a portrait of their pet, and then they'll write their name, and then they're going to complete the first two pages. The first two pages are a place to live and food, water, and air. So you can demonstrate this. You could even make your own mini book along with them, just so that they have an example of what it should look like and what their expectations are. Once you've completed that, make sure they keep it in a safe place because they'll be using this in the next lesson. And if you have some time left over at the end of this lesson, you can play games with these cards. You can play games such as Guess That Animal, where you have to give them a lot of characteristics of the animal and see if they can guess which one it is. Or you can play games like Which One Doesn't Belong, where you can pick out a group of different animals and try to get them to narrow it down to decide which animal you're thinking of.